Okay, so we're back. So wrapping the body of the truck, you have to fidget with it. So just be patient and just work with it, and know that it doesn't have to be exactly perfect. I mean, this is a diaper thing, but what I did was I just taped and moved it around and taped and moved it around, and I decided to use the part of the hood part to hang over on either side to look like doors. So, and then I just tucked this in the back to where we would have, to where that would be covered, so that when we put our stuffed toy in the back, then that would be, you wouldn't be able to see the cardboard. And so the pack of baby wipes, that's going to act as our seat, which will go about right here inside, and then our little stuffed animal driver here. So see, have room in the back for that, and then our little stuffed animal here. Now I did go ahead and take the grill and the lights out so that I could wrap the hood part of the box, and I went ahead and folded it to where maybe this won't be as fidgety, or hopefully that's my hope anyway. So I meant to put tape on there, so I'm just gonna put some tape on here, and I'm using more packing tape than what I realized, so I didn't know that I would use as much of that. That's what I'm using, but I am, so. And it isn't going to hurt anything because all this stuff will be washed, of course, by Mama before the baby uses it. So I'm just putting double-sided tape on here so that I can wrap the hood, and it is wider than what the actual hood is, but I wanted it that way so that I could just, when I wrap it around, I can tuck it inside to where it'll cover the lip as well. And what I was going to do here is just kind of tuck that underneath that so that this looks like the door opening, you know, the hinge area. So I'll just do that like so, and just fidget with it and smooth it out, and I'll put some packing tape underneath here to cover up that lip then. And just like so. Make sure I'm in frame here, yeah. Okay, like so. Took it on under, smooth it out, flip it on over, keep it tight, and let's use some packing tape on the other side. As you can see, I used quite a bit to keep it tight under here. Okay. Now, flip it back over gently. Let's go ahead and get a piece under here. I'm trying to do it where my head doesn't get in the way of what I'm doing. So I'm just taking the tape and just putting it on the lip of because there was just a little bit hanging over, to pull it under and cover up the cardboard here. Of course, this right here will be covered with your seat, which is your baby wipes, and then your bare side, and then on the inside, you won't be able to see it for the other. So then what I wanted to do was cover the lip here, and I think that I don't think I'll need tape on the inside of here, because I believe that my lights will make it so tight that we won't need that. See? And it gives it a finished edge too. So there's that. And then let's put our grill back in. Our grill. I know I'm corny. Sorry. See if I'm still in frame. Yep. Oh, you know what? Maybe if I do all those at one time, it would be easier. I may be able to pull them through on the underside. Maybe. Whoops, I'm sorry. So sorry. Okay. So, there. Now, there we go. Kind of squish it just a little bit to get it to where it isn't. There. There's our front for now. And then let's go ahead and put in our front seat. Wish I had those to where they were going that way. Put in our front seat. There. So there's our front seat. Now, let's go ahead and do our hood, which I think I'm going to do this one. I think so. Yeah, I think like that. So I can cut this tag off. Do I like that one or this one? Oh, that one has the sailboats and stuff on it. Well, I don't know, let's do this one. Gives it a little more color, doesn't it? But that one has, let's see, let's just play with it a minute, so bear with me here. Let's see, we have our colors. That. I don't know. I can't make up my mind. I should have decided this beforehand, huh? Let's just go with this one. I shouldn't second guess myself. So we're going to put that on there like that, and this is going to be our hood, and then we're just going to tuck these up and under here, like so, to cover up everything. Oh, maybe there was a little bit of my box that was showing right there, so that will work out perfect. Now it's covered. Okay, good, wonderful. Okay, now I'm not sure if I'm going to leave this teething ring dangling down or if I'm going to put it back up here like it's a hood latch, because I was thinking about using these, and you know how they say on the grill of a Jeep, it says Jeep. Well, the little boy's name is Jace, which is 4 letters as well. So I was thinking that I would spell out Jace and put it there with just some glue dots to where it doesn't bother the diapers. That's what I'm thinking. So what do we need to do next? Oh, okay, the next part will be us doing the rack for the Jeep. So I'll be back in just a few minutes. Hope you guys are having fun. Hang in there, we're getting it done. Bye.